salt no dey, Maggi no dey, pepper no dey, that's more than emeleme isolo, 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 emeleme isolo.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hey people, what's up? Let's go there. Chinegu. Hey guys, it's your favorite baby girl, Chidera Giselle on the microphone, and this is officially my first cook with me vlog. Yeah, my first cook with me vlog. Ada, she ran away. Anyways, this is officially my first cook with me vlog. I've been wanting to do a cook with me vlog on this channel since like forever, but because I live in a place where I can't do something like that, and I came to my auntie's place and I just decided to like grab this opportunity and do a cook with me vlog. So guys, I'm going to be cooking noodles sugara obodo yibo. You get noodles that went to Harvard, noodles Jerry Cambridge, noodles we go Oxford. Now I cook now. I've already got my ingredients, so I'm going to turn my camera around so that you see the ingredients, and while cooking I'm gonna gist you what the Son of Man did to me. So guys, here's my carrots. I bought it at Wuse Market yesterday. You see it in one of my vlogs. That vlog may go up before this one. Here's my green pepper. I forgot to buy red pepper, or actually I forgot to buy red pepper. So there's grinded pepper here. Then this is my salt for the egg. Then these are the eggs, and these are the noodles, and this is the vegetable oil. She's singing "Hey people." Oh yeah, sing.
God people, Adisi Mary, Alishi, Aghaukwu I, Nikodidi, Motisi, Aghaukwu I. So
these noodles I want to cook now is the type of noodles they cook at work. I actually buy that noodles a lot, or I used to buy it a lot, but recently I've reduced my intake of the noodles because I've discovered that they use a lot of vegetable oil to make that noodles. And you know that most of the people that make noodles outside, they don't make it with clean vegetable oil. They use all this vegetable oil that they buy anyhow. So I just want to like take a chill pill on eating it. So I gotta be careful and make mindful. So guys, I'm like scraping out the back of the carrots. I don't know, that's what they usually do at home. Like they always scrape the back of the carrots off, because you know carrots is like it's underground that the thing grows, according to what I know, and there's usually a lot of dirt and you don't know where they brought it from. So we usually just scrape the back of the carrots. So my madam wants to eat carrots. Oh yeah, take.
Thank you.
Ah. You still sleeping? Now that I'm still cutting my veggies, let me dive right into the gist. I was around 18 or 19, around that period. So there was this guy now, I had been dating him for a while. Everything was all lovey-dovey. You know this song that Igbo people, I mean not Igbo people, this song that Flavor sang. What's the title of that song again, sir? Wiser, yes. Ebido si onato, darling, darling. Ebido si onato, sweetie, sweetie. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like at the beginning, it's always I love you, I miss you, I like you, baby, you're my life, I can't live without you, I will die without you. That's how it was. So just lovey, lovey, darling, darling. So now at some point, I think this guy entered his final year. So like every time he was no longer calling. At that time there was a time when we call on phone. You know that time midnight call was raining. I used to be on call, midnight call, from the beginning of midnight call to the end, from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock. I'll be on midnight call, answering call, doing love. I know my mom will be watching this video. Jesus. So as I was saying, I used to do midnight call, lovey-dovey, everything. He will call me on phone. So it's final year now. This person that was all lovey-dovey with me now stops calling me. He was now doing some. I will now call. Somebody that was talking with every day on phone, you know, degenerated to the extent that we used to talk only once in a week. And it was around that period. Anybody that watched my story of how robbers came to my lodge in school, I think I mentioned it in that video that I didn't have a phone for almost a year. Like I didn't have an Android phone for almost a year. So I was using all these small pin-up phones. So it's not as if we were chatting and we're not calling. We're not chatting, we're not calling. For like 1 week, there was a time even got to the extent that it was like 2 weeks. So me now, every time I would call, I'll be like, this relationship is over, I'm not doing it again, I'm tired of this, you're making me feel like I'm forcing myself on you. And truly, I was forcing myself on it. Like I was forcing the thing, or he was making me feel that way. Beautiful me, Omale Chanwa. Can't you see me? See my skin, see my lips, see my teeth, see that nose. Then basically they did me like, let's continue the gist. So like I will not call, I will not be crying, and I'm very, very emotional. Like this thing was so bad. And you know when you're in a relationship, you have already zeroed your mind that I will end up with this person is my husband. That is a very, very, very bad mentality. Let me start telling you, if you are here and you're not married and you have that mentality, even if you are 30 years old, please throw away that mentality. It's not everybody you date that you marry. Yes, it's not everybody you date that you marry. Some people get married to somebody they meet in 3 months and they live happily ever after. And some people date for 100 million years and they still don't get married. So that one should just stick inside your head. Don't just be in a relationship. I want to know his character, I want to know if you are compatible. But if the thing is not working again, please take a walk. Like walk off. Don't force any relationship on yourself or on anybody. So like I will not be calling, I'll be begging. Now this thing was not so much, like it goes to an extent. Sometimes I won't chat this boy up, I'll be questioning him, he'll be calling me all sort of names. He used to call me different names. You know, you hear what? There's a day I even called him, he was not shouting. I tell you, say I get busy. I get ready to type my project. They give us deadline, you didn't hear they call me. Even my classmates say they ask me, say, who be this idiot? Say they disturb me like this. You don't tell the idiot, say you don't want call. Say me, idiot. And this guy's already introduced me to his mother, his sisters, his umonna, his umada, even his ancestors. And he had introduced me to all of them. So I was feeling like one kind wife, like one very, very big wife. This one was not happening. I was begging. Right? There was a day I even had an exam. I could not read for the exam. I was calling, begging on the phone, begging. I could not read for my exam. I later had B in that course. Maybe if I was not doing that rubbish, I would have had A in the course. Nonsense. I was not like, actually, you know you'll be inside my video. No, I'm not. Hope you're okay with it. Like, I don't have any problem with you being in the video. Hope you don't have problem with it. You don't have problem with it, Abby. I'm just taking permission. It's not as if I'm telling you to come out. Hey, can't go you save what he used to save my number on his phone. He saved my number on his phone as my breath. Do you guys know what my breath is? Like the air is breathing. That's why he saved my numbers. So guys, they'll make you feel like they're everything. They'll be doing you things and you don't want to leave because you feel that they love you so much. See, let me tell you, I know I'm not married, but I have sense now. I know that love is not enough. Love is not enough in any relationship. It's not enough in any marriage. Compatibility goes a long way. Self-worth goes a long way. Self-esteem goes a long way. And if there's someone that claims he loves you and is making you lose your self-esteem, your self-worth, you see others that are not in relationships, they're even happier than you that you're in a relationship. You need to take a walk. Seriously, you need to take a walk. It's not by love. No be love you go chop. It's not by love. There are so many things that come to play in a relationship and marriage. See me sounding like one kind of marriage counselor. Oh yeah, it's not easy. Let me find myself. As I was saying, so like he even came to Lagos and I was even begging to see him. When I now went to see him and I saw one text message, him and somebody, it was shy text message that it was clear that he was cheating. So I was not angry. I now walked away. I was going home. He was not telling me that it's like he wanted to go into Yahoo. I'm not going to call names, so nobody will know who I'm talking about. He wanted to go into Yahoo and I was not advising that no, I can't marry a Yahoo boy. I was not begging like, now if I meet any guy that says that he wants to join Yahoo, I'm dumping you immediately, straight up. Like, we're not even discussing anything. You want to join Yahoo? Fine, let me just tell my own, like, what is there to discuss, what is there to advise? I'm not advising you anything. I'm just taking the walk away since you have decided to be stupid, you have decided to be a Yahoo boy. I'm just taking the walk because I can't be hardworking like this. I can't be working hard to make sure I have a living and the person that's supposed to compliment me is a lazy let me not use any bad word, but it's a lazy person. The person just wants to rob people off their money, and I'll be there begging you with all this my hard work. If you not mad in the future, somebody will now come and be a Yahoo Yahoo and I'll not be begging the person. No, never. I will not even do that. I'll just bump you. So when I saw that message, the excuse he gave me was that he told me that he wants to join Yahoo. That is the sugar mommy that I sent it to. One of the people he's trying to rob of their money. And I knew it was a lie, but I dropped the lie. At that point, I was even telling myself that even if, as long as I'm the main chick, even if he has another girlfriend, as long as I'm the main chick, like it degenerated to that extent. I was telling myself that after everything, I left. We were going for a lot of relationship conferences in NFCS, then NFCS, Nigerian Federation of Catholic Students. So we had a lot of singles forum, and they kept on advising, and me, I'll be one of the people writing secret letters, asking questions, they'll be answering, people will be laughing, we'll be catching cruise. I was one of the people going through heartbreak then. I gathered courage and I left. My self-worth is the most important thing. I am beautiful, I am strong, I am hardworking, I am the most resilient human being I know. I am very, very determined. Determination should even be my name. So I don't need anybody that will come and fail my attempts or come and make me feel less than I am. So guys, let's go back to the cooking, because this gist has started for too long and I've even forgotten that I'm cooking. Although I've been cutting this thing since. I may have to cut down the gist a bit because I don't like long videos, as you all know. So the water is already boiling. When it boils, I'm gonna put the noodles inside. So guys, my water is boiled, so I'm just going to put my noodles. I'm actually cooking 3 now. My auntie indicated interest, so I'm going to be putting, which do you put first, noodles or seasoning? I always put my noodles first. And do you break your noodles? I break my noodles into pieces. Like, I don't like them long, so I break them into pieces though. So this is it, one is in, let me put the rest. So guys, I've put in the noodles. Remember, it's the Hausa man's recipe that I'm using, and he puts his veggies inside the noodles as they're boiling. He doesn't fry the veggies separate, he puts the veggies inside. So I've put in the veggies now, so I'm just going to wait for a little while. I just want the indomie to boil for a little while, and then I'm going to bring it down. So now I've put off the gas. I'm just going to go ahead now and sieve this. I poured the spices on the already sieved noodles. I didn't use all the spices. So now this is what the guy does that actually like. He uses the sieve to turn the spices. Like, he does not use spoon. So he will just go like this. Man, I just tasted a bit of the noodles and the spice has not gone around. I beg, I'm not the outside guy. Now no go copy and go stay energy now. Guys, I want to put pepper inside the noodles. So I'm going to pour pepper inside the noodles. This is why I poured the spice. I forgot to put this in. Guys, I've put in a little bit of oil, just very small oil. You can see it. It's because the eggs are even full that the oil is that much. I don't like much oil in my egg. So you can see the oil is hot now. So I'm just going to pour in my egg. See my egg glowing like bloom bloom.
Okay.
Dudu,
Huh?
why are you disturbing me? Why are you disturbing me, Chinedu? Why are you disturbing me? I will catch you now. Pouring in my noodles now. This is how the outside guy does his own. So I'm going to let this fry for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You know, I poured the spices inside the noodles, so I need it to cook a bit. Like, I have to cook the spices. So I'm going to let this fry a bit. So guys, I want to taste my noodles to know if it tastes nice. That's my. It's not as nice as the Hausa man's own. Maybe it is, I don't know. But it tastes great. It's not as if I'm praising myself, but it tastes great. So let me turn it very well. Let me go off camera and turn it very well and dish out everybody's food. So guys, here's our noodles. Our special IGBO noodles. My special noodles that went to Harvard, went to Oxford, and still went to Cambridge. Only one noodles. Anyways guys, I've been outside here trying to get the perfect thumbnail. I've not been able to get anything I like, but I'm just going to edit and go with one this will bring us to the end of my Cook With Me vlog. Tell me what you think about this vlog, whether you want more vlogs like this. Thank you also so much for your love and support, and I'ma see you in my next video. For now, bye. Kiss kiss. Mwah.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog. Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Chidera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube, and tell your friends to subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube.